Performance is always a major focus for the SOLIDWORKS development team, and this year is no different. With detailing mode in SOLIDWORKS 2020, you can now open massive drawings in seconds, regardless of their size and complexity. The model does not get loaded, but the drawing views are intact, so there's no loss of detail. Detailing mode is perfect for opening drawings for minor edits or design reviews. Individual sheets load in an instant, and the drawing can also be printed. But it doesn't stop there. Some editing capabilities are available as well, such as making changes to annotations or dimensions. Notes can be added to the drawing or dragged from a library of company notes, and annotations added in detailing mode can also be edited. This drawing sheet is a bit crowded, and as with a resolved drawing, drawing views can be moved and arranged on the drawing. Dimensions can also be positioned to achieve the desired layout. Views can also be cut, copied, and pasted. And to better organize this drawing, we'll add a new sheet, reposition the tab, paste the view onto the sheet, and do some dimension cleanup. Balloons can be added or repositioned to take advantage of magnetic lines for a clean look. If additional dimensioning is required, this can be done in detailing mode as well. Dimensions can be added to edges and vertices using the same techniques you're familiar with in resolved drawings. In this case, we'll add some dimensions to locate the positioning holes for the gantry system. We'll also define the hole size, and you can see that the dimension palette is available to fine-tune your dimension with notes and tolerances, or the Dimension Property Manager can be used for more refinement. Any command that is not grayed out on the Command Manager is available in detailing mode, such as the Format Painter. Here we'll leverage an existing dimension and paint its format onto our new dimensions. Revision tables, symbols, and clouds can also be added to communicate any changes. And when you're done with your edits, the drawing can be saved, and rest assured that these edits will be there regardless of which mode the drawing is opened with next. To communicate with external collaborators, you can print the drawing, or you can save the drawing in a variety of formats such as DWG, JPEG, or even PDF. With detailing mode in SOLIDWORKS 2020, productivity is enhanced by allowing users to open in seconds drawings containing large assemblies, lots of sheets, many configurations, or resource-intensive views.